Right, and even if it gets close, it's hundreds of miles wide.
Yeah.
You saw how big it was on that image there. So we're talking about a massive storm, and not just where it's going to make landfall, which we're still watching very closely, and still some question marks on the U.S. landfall. But we know that there is going to be an impact, certainly, as we track Irma. Right now, 185 mile per hour max sustained winds, a strong Category 4 hurricane. It is just east of Antigua. It will continue to push off to the west, 15 miles an hour, and continue to push across the Caribbean. That's tomorrow and into Thursday, where you're really going to see that. It gets closer to Florida Friday, Saturday. For us here in North Texas, strong cold front came through earlier on today. It's just south of the Metroplex, taking any rain chances with it. So we've had some of those heavy pockets of rain, some gusty winds at best, stretching from Athens, Corsicana over to Hillsborough, and the heavy rain continues to make that exit closer to Waco. You may not feel it just yet, but this front is really going to make its presence be known. The cool air with it, you can see the feels like temperatures, a 20-degree divide from Oklahoma City stretching down to Austin. So we're still in that warm sector, but not for much longer. Looking at these temperatures, it's 86 degrees right now, DFW, Dallas, Fort Worth at 87. A little bit of a breezy setup for today and even into tomorrow as that jet stream dives south across the east. This will also be worth watching to see how it impacts Irma as well. That jet stream dipping very far south. But for us, the high pressure builds in for several days, giving us lots of sunshine and below average temperatures. Our air will be crisp, and this is going to feel a lot more like fall. I know 80s usually we think that's still kind of warm, but the air mass is going to be so much drier, so you will notice that difference. Through tonight, following those temperatures, we're seeing 70s by the time we get into 8 o'clock. Rain chances diminish, and the extended forecast is looking really, really nice. One of the quieter patterns, guys, that we have seen in quite some time.